Lodge in Silver City, New Mexico, and we're sitting down here by the pond. There's 8 keys of excellence, and I've chosen to talk about failure leads to success. I've been a full-time studio artist since 1970 and a gallery owner for 15 years. And one of the things I've learned about art is that you have to take risks and you have to be open to different materials, different methods of making things. And the first piece you do is not going to be your greatest piece. One of the great things about that is, as I've been a gallery owner, I've watched many artists, and usually they'll do this body of work that they would probably should just put in the trash can. But they do it, and out of that, it's almost like a wonderful spiral. The next body of work is fabulous. So you have to want to fail a little bit and put yourself on the line so